Earlier this year, we were so excited to show you our very first SRM motorhome layout, #1. We'll have a look at this. Oh, it's our second layout and I'm so excited to show you around. Of course, we have our standard door. You can separate this so that you've got your security and it keeps all of the bugs outside. A must do in the motorhome is a one-touch button electronic awning. Could not be easier, could not be simpler. You're going to be spending a lot of time out here and for good reason. You've got so much shade from this awning. Your LED strip lighting is really smart. You've got your lights on the opposite side as well, including your bug lights, because you want to try and keep those guys out of here. Plenty of storage under here, your full fusion sound speaker system, and then in here, this is where your Starlink connects. You can pop a TV in there as well. 2 9-kilo gas bottles stuck just in here. Doesn't she look good from behind? A very sleek looking bumper, very important, 270-degree cameras there, and a really nice size back window. And the storage story continues. Take a look at that. It goes the whole way through. You could pop your kids in there. Don't do that, that was a joke. Here is your Fogarty hot water system. That's instant. You've got all of your water inlets there as well. This is a really handy one to have too. Your outdoor shower. And then of course you've got more storage. Now this is where you're going to notice the biggest difference. Come here. Are you surprised? We thought you might be. That first model that you would have seen, we have completely flipped it on its head. This layout has allowed the bedroom to be at the back to give you more privacy, and it still has all of the essentials and really plenty of space that you want in your motorhome. As you can see, the kitchen, it has grown. It's essentially the size of an apartment kitchen. You still have your hybrid cooktops. You've got your induction there as well as your 2 gas burners. You've got a really deep sink here with your cutting board on top as well. And of course there's such a great size fridge, 224 litres. A freezer drawer. These curved cupboards are a signature in our motorhome range. They're so beautiful. And then of course, your spice rack. You've got a convection microwave there as well, which gives you full cooking capabilities. And one thing that's really important for me, you've still got a full ensuite in here as well. A very generous size ensuite in this motorhome. Plenty of space in the shower there. So much storage both below the bench and of course above head. You've got a great size basin, plenty of towel hanging space as well, and your toilet. It's a perfect position in such a practical layout. And now for the big reveal. Although I know you've seen a little snippet already. Have a look at this. This is going to make so many people so happy. This is the club lounge for you and 7 of your closest friends. It is huge. It really is such a great use of space. Once more, I'm 182 centimetres tall. This is me sitting straight backed, head up. Honestly, you could do a dance back here. This is where you're going to be spending a lot of time. If it's wet outside, you just want some quiet time inside, drawing, reading, eating meals. But the best part about this area of your motorhome is that it's multifaceted. There are 3 uses for this area. Let me show you them. You've got a little lever under here, very easy. Push that table all the way down. You just want to pop that up in here, slot it in, and you've got a day bed. Oh, if you want to have a little snooze during the day, read a book, chill out, relax. But hey, it's night time, I'm tired, I want to go to bed. It's simply a push of a button. An attachment of a ladder. Oh, and good night. Moving to the front of the motorhome now, you can really see the practical storage solutions coming into play. You've got your wardrobe here, plenty of hanging space, your drawers down there. And all of these areas here can really be utilised for all of the things that you need to take with you out on the road. This motorhome is built on an LDV Deliver 9 extra long wheelbase chassis. It's also rear wheel drive, so that is excellent when it comes to getting out of those little slippery areas that you may have found yourself camped at overnight. What I also love is the feeling that you get when you sit in here, a really great size screen. And you want to make sure that you're fully comfortable so you can move your steering wheel down or up depending on where suits you perfectly. And then you're good to go. It's pretty specky, huh? Well, if you want to learn more about the SRM-22 and get in touch with your local dealer.